Hi, my name is Noah Gift and I'm with Pragmatic AI Labs. Today we're going to talk about how to upload data into your Colab projects. A lot of times this is one of the most difficult things when you're dealing with Colab is you may be stuck and going, how am I going to actually get my data into this hosted web-only version of Colab? Well, I'm going to show you a couple tricks right off the bat that will help you. First, let's go ahead and look at this Colab Notebook. One of the things you can do is just upload a file. To do that, you use an upload file dialog. Here we go, from google.colab, import files, and I go through and I run that code. And from here, it's actually going to go through and give me a file upload box. I'll go to choose files. I have a CSV file on my desktop. And you can see, there we go, I'm able to actually instantly get access to it. And now, once it's been into my Colab ecosystem, I can just say import pandas, go through and do a pd.read, and now I have access to the data. By far, this is one of the most flexible ways to share notebooks and actually upload data to Colab. There's a second really neat trick though, is you can also just refer to a GitHub CSV file and actually do it in one line of code. So in this example, that exact same CSV file, I go through and I say import pandas as PD. I go through and create a DF by doing pd.read CSV, and here's the trick, is that I've actually accessed the raw version of the file in GitHub. Really, that's it. So thank you so much for paying attention, and I'll talk to you soon.